Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar and to Wednesday. That means Wish Wednesday. You wish for songs, I bring them up here on Growing Guitar, and this one is from NEFFEX. Long time no see there, but NEFFEX is back here with a song called Climb. And who wished for this? It was you, Difda. I believe that's your name here on YouTube, Difda. You wished for Climb. What a cool, great song from NEFFEX there. So thank you for bringing this song up. And for all the NEFFEX fans, I know you are many out there, this one is also for you. But yeah, let's take a look at this one. K-ball on fifths, that is what we need. And we have three different chords that will go from the beginning till the very end. And we have first the A minor, that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We'll go with the next chord, which is the G. We'll not hold that in the normal way. We'll hold this grip because what I can already now mention is that we're gonna glue this index finger to the first fret B string. That will be with us almost through the entire song, okay? So from A minor, we go to G. You just do it like this. You keep that finger on the first B string and you go up with a finger, preferably your ring finger, up to the third fret E string. And with that third E string, with the stretch there, that will be pretty much that you will lean your finger on top of the A string there. So that will be muted, and that is perfectly fine. It's actually good if you can do that. So you play the third fret E string and then get the A muted. And then the rest, open D, open G, and then, like I said, first B and open E. So that will be the G grip. Then for F, you will go a little bit differently here. Again, we'll go with the F major thing here, but with a note added. It will be like this actually, but like I said, I like to keep that first fret on B string, even if that is not used for this specific chord. It will be used right before and right after, so it's good to have that ready behind the walls there. But anyway, it will be third D, second G, and then third B, and open E. So that third B will make no sense if you're gonna keep that first B in the background there, but anyway, I keep that to be ready for the next chord. So this is actually the grip here, this F major thing going on, but with this added in the background. All right, and that's the different chords. The chord progression will be A minor, then this G, then the F, and then back to G. Okay, so that is what's going on. Three different chords, but this chord progression is actually about 4 chord. So A minor, G, F, and G. We'll start with the just plain strumming, and then I'm gonna show you the drop or the chorus, or whatever you're gonna call it there, with this note, this kind of rock note part of the song. But first, the strumming. You're gonna play A minor, like down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so down, up, clap, up, down, up. Down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, and then you make a small pause there and you go into the next chord, which is the G, and play up, clap, up, down, up. So, up, clap, up, down, up. So from A minor, down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up on the G. So slowly. And then you apply the same principle here for the next two chords, which are the F and then the G. So the F is played in the same way as A minor, down, up, clap, up, down, up, pause, and then back to G, played in the same way as the first G, up, clap, up, down, up. So F part. So together it's right? So there you have the plain strumming, and you can actually go with that from the beginning till the very end. But at 2 points in the song, at 55 seconds into it, and also later at 1 minute and 49 seconds, we have this drop going on. It's based upon the same chords, but we have this notes added, a little bit of rock feeling to it. Okay, so we'll start with the A minor part, and it goes. Okay, so the bass note now will be the open A string, or you can play A and then the second G. Hold the chord as it is, that's what I suggest. So hit the bass notes like this 2 times. Then you want to hit the first B string, then back to bass note, then first B and open B, and then back to bass notes 2 times. That is the A minor part. So bass, bass, then first B, then bass, then first B, open B, and bass, bass. So, okay. Then we go to the G part, and you hold the chord as it is. You're gonna play. Okay, so that will be first fret on B string, then the bass note, which now is the third E, then first B, open B, and then the bass note 4 times. All right, then you apply exactly the same principle for the next 2 chords. Now it will be the F, okay? You go with the bass, which is now the 3rd fret D string. And when I say the bass, I mean you can also incorporate the string beneath there, the G in this case, and for A minor it's the D, and for G it's the muted A there. But anyway, the bass is really what we're aiming for, the actual note. In this case now for F, it's the 3rd D string. So you apply the same principle as for A minor, 2 bass notes, okay, there, and then first fret B string, then 1 bass, then first B and open B, and then 2 times on the bass. And then you play the G in the exact same way as the first G, like that. So slowly it will be like this, just for the actual clean notes. I'm gonna pick them. It will be couple rounds. Oh, sorry, I got in the second round there again. Freestyle it there in the end. I think you get it. That is the drop and the chorus part at 2 points in this song, and then you go back and play the original strumming there, or you can just skip one of these parts and just go with it from the beginning till the very end. That's your choice. And that pretty much covers NEFFEX Climb. Divda, thank you for your wish there, and I really like to see comments here on Gordon Guitar when it comes to wishes there. That means you watch the tutorials and you really want something, and I would like to bring out things that you want to listen and learn. So a great way to get your song here. So keep on wishing on Wednesdays or in the weeks, and perhaps it's your song next time. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a like this tutorial, and until next time, play tuned.